Hans Palace. Are you
Cheap.
kidding me? Go to Islander then.
Islander?
Yeah?
The Islander.
Look, Island is gross, dude.
Thumbs down with the Islander.
Alright, well, I don't know. There's no beef. Let me call you back right back.
No, fuck that.
Actually, never mind,
Wanna
never
talk
mind,
to
never
him?
mind.
Chris Knowles?
No,
I
man.
don't know. Al, do you want to go with us?
I don't know. Where are we going?
He wants to get Chinese food.
Yeah, where?
At the eye.
Nope.
You know?
We
No, he
bo-
doesn't give a fuck anyway.
Nah, we boycott the eye around here. It's Han or nothing.
You don't like Hans, huh?
The only one I go to.
Yeah,
Who is it,
yeah.
Kimmy?
What about the one in Appodown, kid?
Hell no, Red Star?
I forgot what it's called.
Red Star.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Eastern stuff.
Eastern Star.
Yeah, it's pretty good.